Hello there guys, I'm again with another video unboxing review. Today we are featuring the dark Demis t-shirt. Thanks again guys for sending over this awesome t-shirt, and let's step into the actual unboxing today, straight from Japan. There's a package with some awesome products inside. This is from DciGuns. So this is a Japan-based company that makes some really unique upgrades for your airsoft rifles, guns, sidearms, shotguns, and some other cool stuff. So they sent over some products for me to review with you guys, and let's step into the actual internals of the box. First we have a Hicapa outer barrel. They also make in black and red colors. This is aluminum. I chose a red outer barrel for a Glock G17 Gen 4 and some other good stuff over here. The package arrived from Japan in almost 14 days here in Greece, super fast, with UPS. Also it was so DciGuns. Over here we have some parts for the Sima or the Marui M870. For the Marui M870, this is a flat trigger and an extension for the mag, the release of the cells. Next we have, let's open up. They also make some protectors for your favorite aiming devices, and this is for the Tough T1. This is a metal round clip that goes around your T1, or for the Sapphire X300 flashlight. So we will also test this out. Next we have we have the threads for the outer barrels, red and gold, and again the thread protectors in gold and black. That's really nice quality. So let's step into the actual top camera and see all the things I have around here and test them directly over on this channel. So let's go. So here we have every single product from DciGuns that sent me over. So these two over here on the top left is for the M870 Sima shotgun, as you can see, and this is a flat trigger in red and a black extension for the cell release button. Over here we have the DciGuns 2980. This is a metal piece with some acrylic top to protect your favorite sights. Over here we have the T1 protector, or for your Sapphire X300, also a metal round clip with an acrylic inner part. Over here we have the threads for the outer barrels and the thread protectors, again gold and black. All these come in 3 different colors: red, gold and black. And of course over here we have the Hicapa outer barrel, aluminum, and the Glock G17 Gen 4 outer barrel in red. So today we will make an upgrade in our Hicapa gold mats. Let's bring this over. This is the Tokyo Marui Hicapa gold mats, and we will make an upgrade on the plastic outer barrel over here from DciGuns and change this one. So let's go. First let's see the actual weight on this one. So with everything inside, let's see how much the old one weighs. 15.2 grams, and the new one, the full aluminum one, is 15.1. So yeah, you can actually see the difference is pretty obvious, but also the quality on this one. Plus that on the DciGuns outer barrel we have a threaded inner barrel, so we can thread anything you want, a suppressor for example, and on the old one, yeah, you have nothing. So what do you guys think? Of course you can over here put a suppressor, for example this one. You can actually see there's no movement on the barrel. And you can actually modify it however you like. It's your style. You can take also the gold one. I think the black one fits better, right? What do you guys think? What's your color match? Yeah, on the gold match, I'm pretty sure the gold barrel is really nice with the black tip. So yeah, thanks again DciGuns for sending over these awesome parts. We will follow up with some more video upgrades with, of course, the tough one protector, also universal scope protector, the M870 shotgun flat trigger, the cell release, the Glock. We have a Glock on the way coming. I have already ordered one, and you will see all these upgrades in the future videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Don't want to miss all these awesome upgrades. So thanks again for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.